phase of the Marathon bombing trial begins tomorrow. Lawyers for Dzhokhar Tsarnaev will try to convince jurors to spare his life. And as 5 Investigates' Karen Anderson uncovers tonight, they could finally answer some lingering questions about him and his brother.
2 years before the Marathon bombings, the government says Tamerlan Tsarnaev murdered 3 men in Waltham. Now it may be part of his younger brother's legal strategy. In a court filing, the defense wrote, Tamerlan's having committed a gruesome triple murder and having included a close friend among the victims would powerfully support the inference that Dzhokhar experienced his older brother as an all-powerful force who could not be ignored or disobeyed. But what was Tamerlan's motive? And what, if anything, did his younger brother know? Questions News Center 5 legal analyst Martha Coakley says the defense may try to answer in the upcoming sentencing phase.
It seems from the filings they've made that they believe this is relevant.
The defense has asked for a host of other records about Tamerlan, records that could reveal more about his turn to radical Islam and red flags the government may have missed. Tsarnaev's defense team has claimed the FBI asked Tamerlan to be an informant, reporting on the Chechen and Muslim community.
You can see by the defense filings that they're interested in pursuing what the relationship was between the FBI and particularly the older brother, but this family.
The government says it has no evidence Tamerlan was an informant, but the defense claims Tamerlan misinterpreted the visits and discussions with the FBI as pressure and that they amounted to a stressor that increased his paranoia and distress.
They will try everything they can with evidence they have, either from the government or from the family itself, to paint for the jury here the picture of a dysfunctional family when they've admitted he brought that backpack and set it down in front of the Richard family.
The judge overseeing Tsarnaev's trial has said he expects the upcoming sentencing phase to last about 4 weeks. For 5 Investigates, I'm Karen Anderson.